Imagine a world where your dreams become your reality at an astonishing pace. A world where your deepest desires are within reach, waiting for you to claim them. Well, my friends, I have amazing news for you. Brace yourselves for a mind-boggling revelation, the existence of a magical artifact known as the Magic Box. In this captivating video, I will unveil the secrets of this remarkable tool that holds the key to manifesting your wildest dreams. Can you imagine having the power to make anything come true? I assure you, it is entirely possible, and the best part, you can create this extraordinary magic box in the comfort of your own home. Get ready as I guide you through a step-by-step process that will transform an ordinary box into a portal of limitless potential. This magic box will become your personal gateway to manifesting your deepest desires, bringing them to life with astonishing accuracy. But remember, my friends, every step is crucial. So, I urge you to stick around until the very end of this video. Each detail I share will be a valuable piece of the puzzle, unveiling the incredible power of the magic box technique. With this miraculous box in your possession, you will have the ability to manifest your desires like never before. Whether it's love, wealth, success, or anything else your heart desires, the magic box will be your faithful companion on this extraordinary journey. So, my friends, get ready to embark on an exhilarating adventure where the line between imagination and reality blurs. Together, we will unlock the fascinating potential of the magic box, allowing you to manifest your dreams with astounding speed and precision. Stay tuned, my friends, as we venture into the world of limitless possibilities. Prepare for the unveiling of the step-by-step process that will enable you to create and utilize your very own magic box, making your dreams a tangible reality. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss out our informative videos on manifestation. Let's dive into the magic of the magic box technique. Get ready to be amazed, and remember, don't miss a single step. The first step is to establish exactly what you want in life. Be specific when writing these desires down, as it will help with manifestation. According to the law of attraction, whatever we think and imagine, we attract into our lives. So, visualizing already having money or other desired items can help make them a reality. To ensure success, it is important to prioritize your wants and focus on one or two at a time. Focusing on too many things may take up too much energy and slow down progress. To achieve success with magic box technique, it is essential to have faith in yourself and trust that you are capable of achieving greatness. Identify what you want out of life overall, and then break those goals down into simple steps for achieving overall happiness. This process helps give structure and clarity to your goals, making them easier to attain through positive visualization techniques like magic box manifestation. Once you have established what you want, use affirmations combined with visualization techniques. For example, create a magic box, an imaginary box where all your hopes, dreams, and wishes come true. This can help speed up the manifestation process even more. With this powerful tool based on Neville Goddard's teachings, manifesting desires becomes easier than ever before. Place a positive and powerful note on the top of the box as a reminder of what has been manifested or will be manifested in the future. Inside, place pictures and written statements to help you visualize your desires. Make sure to write them in detail so they accurately reflect what has been manifested or will manifest in the future. Remember that you attract what you think. Therefore, write your desires with an attitude that reflects having already received them into your life. Decorate your box however you wish, including colors and patterns. Even if it's an imaginary box, Writing out specific details about each desired item can further enhance visualization efforts and increase belief in manifesting your goals. Think positively while writing your goals to ensure success in your manifestation activities. Focus on feelings instead of words. Always take time to regularly read through the notes and goals placed inside your boxes, whether they are real or imaginary. These reminders will help you constantly strive towards achieving your desired outcomes and possibilities each day. These practices help you clearly define your goals and set intentions with more clarity and focus. As a result, you can achieve your desired outcome faster than ever before. With the right mindset and tools, manifesting your dreams can become a reality more quickly than you may think. After writing down all desired outcomes, take these objectives and place them inside a box somewhere safe, such as under the bed or in an attic space away from prying eyes. This ensures that the energies remain intact when opening the box again later on. Open this box 3 times daily, reading aloud each objective and affirming that its manifestation has occurred or will occur soon enough. Never doubt during this process, as it could reduce efficacy when opening the box again. Maintain faith throughout and avoid opening the box when feeling low so that the energy within is not absorbed by the box, reflecting low vibrations and affecting the outcome negatively. Stay positive throughout. Manifesting desires into reality may seem intimidating at first, but with patience, practice, visualization techniques like the magic box and an abundance of gratitude, success is inevitable. It's important to note that this technique should only be done with positive emotions and faithfulness. Neutrality can also be used. If you attempt this technique without these feelings of positivity, it won't work as intended. Remember, this method can be done at any time during the day. However, for best results, it must be done consistently over an extended period of time. You can also write notes or affirmations about how achieving your goal will make life better. Read them every morning before starting your day and recite them throughout the day whenever possible, for example, while taking a break from work. The most important thing to remember when using the magic box manifestation technique is that there is plenty of abundance in the universe ready for us to take advantage of. So don't think negatively about changing our lives for the better. And there you have it, my friends. The incredible magic box technique, a gateway to manifesting your deepest desires, right at your fingertips. By harnessing the power of visualization and gratitude, you hold the key to attracting abundance, love, and success into your life. The journey towards your dreams begins with a simple act of belief. By embracing the power of the magic box technique, you can tap into the limitless possibilities that exist within you. With faith, positive emotions, and unwavering dedication, the results you can achieve are nothing short of astounding. But remember, my friends, the magic box technique is not a mere box filled with empty wishes. It is a vessel of transformation, a conduit for the manifestation of your deepest desires. As you visualize what you want and cultivate a profound sense of gratitude for it, you align yourself with the very essence of your dreams. So, I encourage you, take action today. Start creating your very own magic box. Infuse it with your intentions, and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Embrace the power within you and unlock the door to a life filled with love, abundance, and success. May your magic box be a constant reminder of the power within you, and may every dream you manifest be a testament to your courage and belief. The world is yours to create, my friends. Go forth and make it extraordinary. Thank you for joining me in this transformative exploration of the magic box technique. Wishing you love, abundance, and continued success on your magnificent journey of manifestation. Until next time, keep envisioning, keep believing, and keep manifesting. Goodbye and take care. Happy manifesting.